The National Weather Service in Springfield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wright County, southwestern Texas County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:49 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southeast of Norwood, or 8 miles southwest of Mountain Grove, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mountain Grove, Kabul, Dawson, and Norwood. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Standard Time for South Central and Southwestern Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Missouri, Texas, and Wright.